Hi, Will.
Hi. Today we have a monster truck.
Yep, we got the Monster Jam remote-controlled Mega Grave Digger. A powerful all-terrain remote-controlled monster truck.
Yeah, it can light up. It can light up. Look over here. And then they can turn these ways. Up here, up here, up here, up here, there, and then there.
Okay,
And
cool.
turn those ways.
Yeah, this is very cool. It's the Grave Digger from Monster Jam. Yeah. And we're actually going to go see Monster Jam soon. Next month. Cool. You ready to open this up and check it out?
Yeah! Now we got the box all open. Now we're going to charge it.
Yep, it comes with the little USB charger on the bottom. And the battery is inside right in there. And here's a little remote control. And then we're going to take this bad boy to the park. And we're going to run some stuff over. Okay, Will, we've got the batteries in. The car is all charged. Ready to rock and roll. Let's go. I think you're going backwards. Yeah, we're going backwards. Just hit our car.
Up here.
You want to see if it can go up the stairs? Yeah? All right, bring it this way.
You need to drive it.
We're gonna try to go up these stairs. You ready, Will? All right, go. Okay, that didn't work very well.
No.
Should we try downstairs?
Yeah.
You ready, Will?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. All right, let's try uphill. Not other way, go. That's it? Okay. Seems like it drives better in reverse. Last thing we're gonna do is go down the steps. You ready? All right, let's go. stuck in the tree.
Oh, it's stuck.
Get it out.
Here, I'm gonna go.
Nice.